Wait. We completely fucked. Ba ba da ba ba. Yo, what's up, everybody? How are you? Ay. Yo, yo, yo. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Ay. All right. So, S&P 500s. I'm going to wait for the open, of course, to place a trade on the S&P 500. Really liking this imbalance play on the 50-minute chart. Now, a 5 minute, on a 5 minute, 3 minutes. Yo, ABOB, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. So here's the deal on the this is the 50-minute imbalance, of course, and what I'm playing here will be a short on the S&P 500. I'm waiting for this setup to get triggered, and I am looking for shorts on the S&P 500. Need that market structure shift, of course, before. I'm fine, thank you, Charles. All right, I'm gonna go off camera just for a minute because I need to take my hoodie off, and I don't have a shirt on, so I need to put on a shirt. Oi. Let's see. All right, so what's up? How was your weekend, guys? How was your freaking weekend? I need to cut my hair. Cut my hair. GBP Yana. Yeah. So, how was your weekend, guys? We are 13 minutes away until the casino opens. There's not too much going on today, news-wise. Actually, nothing. So, expecting a mild day. Now, on the U.S. dollar bill, U.S. dollar bill, side, there's no direction, no true direction in the market. I'm not trading the U.S. dollar today. And the only way that I'm going to trade the US dollar would be if I get true market direction to the downside. So a break with volume for a continuation lower. That would be the only way I would trade it. Because this is a fucked up range we are trading in. This is just a horrible range. Not interested in this at all, at all. Now, on the Japanese yen side, you already know the story. Very nice longs that I am hunting here. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-bow. Here is. All right. It's great. How was yours? It was fine. It was okay, man. It was okay. A-O-okay. Yeah, not too much. I adopted a puppy. No, I don't trade it. Well, okay, the Swiss franc. I don't even have it here. Let's have a look. What are you looking to trade there, Dion? This is horrible. Don't even. I'm not even going to look at it. This is horrible. This is fucked up range again. Boom. If you want to chat with me, guys, just subscribe to the channel. Just subscribe to the channel. It's free. The subscribe button is right there. Um, the chat is only for subscribers. It's in subscribers only mode. Yeah. My puppy fell asleep on my lap. Yes, more puppies, more puppies, more puppies. I love dogs, man. I'm a huge dog lover. So this puppy, there was. I live in a gated community, and there was this stray dog. Uh, Her name was Cinnamon. Yeah, I mean, she's a stray dog, right? And one of the security guards, took pity on her, and you used to fed her. And I mean, she's from outside the gated community, right? But she would just hang around inside, right? And she made friends with my other dog, Bimba, my black dog. And yeah, one day, some asshole dog got her pregnant and run away. So we took care of her puppies, and yeah, we got them all a nice home. All seven are now adopted, and this was the last one, and she's gonna live here, and her name is Bernanke. All right. So let's wait for the open. Yeah, 9 minutes away. Nothing much to do here, but just wait. Gold, gold, gold. Gold side, gold. That was, yeah, that was my setup on farm payrolls. Pretty nice. So here we go. 50-minute chart. Let's start, of course, again with the 50-minute chart. I mean, there's really no big pullbacks. What I see here is this. This is the trappity trap, right on the 50-minute chart. The trap. All of this should be liquidity. But I really do not see a liquidity sweep setup in the sense that, yeah. We do have a possible here. All right, so here's the deal. Oh, what I would love to see is this. There's two big lows. There are two high value lows. When I talk about high value, that's very kind of, yes, I love dogs, man. Dogs are the best. They're better than people. So I was talking about this. All right, trap. Now, if you notice here, we already got some traders trapped in the break retest of these lows. These more likely are going to get liquidated, right? I see price coming all the way up to the second trap, which is the second point of interest for me, right here. So liquidation of these highs, and then price creating a second trap, a second liquidity trap here, and those players getting liquidated. I'm sorry, got the hiccups. Uh, Towards, I don't even have a point of interest just yet. Let's take on the 50-minute chart, whatever. Towards this breaker. Here's a breaker and a breaker and imbalance play. that could be profitable in gold. And here's where I will look for the next leg down. Um, all of this is just traps. Traps, 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 traps. So I'm going to place an alert here. First of all, let me just delete all the alerts that I have here. I think I only have my pound yen. Yep. So here, trap, add alert, and message. Gold hitting, second trap, save. All right, so here's that playing gold that I'm waiting for. I don't think we're going to see that anytime soon. I'm very new to the VIP channel, and I want to understand the two opposite signals on the GBP yen. Yeah. So there's two traders on the. I'm gonna show you right here. Yeah, there's two traders here. So there's me, Orlando. I'm the head trader at Learn to Trade. You can see the name here. And Olympio is the other trader. If you want to follow his signals, it's fine with me. I really do not care. But yeah, we don't trade the same, right? So you can decide who you want to follow. Maybe someone has an opinion about that on the chat. Check pound yen, please. Yes, I already have a pound yen long, mate. Here's the play on my pound yen. I need the liquidation of these lows. This is just a lick on the 15. All of this. I need the liquidation of these lows. Chinga tu madre. Not you, right? Of course. But this color. Dash. Yes. So I need the liquidation of these lows getting triggered, going long, etc., etc., etc. We completely fucked. Completely fucked. All right, here we go. We are 4 minutes away until the casino opens. My squawk is on, waiting for this liquidation on the S&P 500. So what I would love to see on the S&P 500, this is the 50-minute imbalance, remember? Right there. So going through the 3-minute chart, boom, boom, boom. There you go. I need the liquidation of these lows right here for a true market structure shift. Yeah, with the volume. So price is setting up very, very nicely for an imbalance play below and a good risk to reward ratio towards those London session lows where, where sell stops are placed. Check your USD buying pressure? Nope. I will not do that. I will stick to my. You need to watch my videos that I sent on the channel, man. You already know that I'm not trading the US dollar today because it's in a big range. So why would I look at the Euro USD? Just watch my shit, man. There's a lot of free information that you are missing out on. All right. GBP, Japanese yen. All right, so 2 minutes until the casino opens. 2 minutes. boom, boom. Okay, man. Okay, okay, okay. We do have that. Maybe we are going to. I mean, we do have this 3 minute imbalance. Should be the same as the 5 minute right here. So, oh, it got mitigated. So yeah, we are good. We are good for a possible sweep of the highs. Maybe I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's wait for the open. We are seconds away. Seconds away. Now, if we break with the highs, all right, pre-market action. I'm gonna place a 1 minute chart just because we are seconds away until the open. Okay. All right, volume coming in. There you go. Market just opened. Let's watch the US dollar. Let's watch the SP 500. Sweep of the highs. We got the sweep of the highs on the 1 minute chart. Going to the 3 minute chart.
Shipping company Hapag-Lloyd say there's no deal with Houthis for Red Sea shipping. So that's following Maersk saying that they've got no deal. That's Hapag-Lloyd confirming they have no deal either with the Houthis.
All right.
Looking to the US Open, S&P opens up 0.1%, Nasdaq up 0.3%. Boeing shares falling 8.4% at the open, the most since October 2022.
All right, let's wait and see. I don't know if this is going to play out, but yeah, we're going to wait and see. The GBP yen, Euro US dollar, GBP USD, Nasdaq. Yes, the Nasdaq looking good on the long side. GBP, this particular setup short on the S&P 500 no longer in place, so we are going to look for possible breaks of the structure to the upside. Um, Very nice unmitigated order block here on the 50-minute chart, but going back to the 5 minute chart, GBP yen. We're still going to wait for that liquidation to get triggered. If not, this is my only play today. I mean, it's been a while since I've seen a true nice open on the US 30, right? Yes, that trade is still valid. Please don't share VIP trades here. What the fuck is wrong with you? You can just ask about my trade. Don't share my VIP trades here. And how were you able to copy that? I'm sorry. That is a free trade. Yeah, it's still valid. Sorry about that, mate. Looking at the alert you set on gold, if the market reverses and gets to that key level, don't you think the trend will continue up? US 100 looking good too. Yeah. Let's wait and see what happens, man, with these two trades. No, I mean it doesn't matter what I think, right? It doesn't matter what I think. Now, having said that, if you look at the overall trend in this market, this is since December, it has been very bearish, right? We do have a true structure high here. This is the protected high. This is the protected high and big ass unmitigated order block. Now, it doesn't matter about that, right? Because we had this big influx of sellers at this point right here, at this particular imbalance. So it doesn't matter what I think, right? What matters the most is what price is going to do once and possibly if it hits that level. So I'm placing my alert there just to monitor price when it hits that level. That's it, right? I am not placing any trades or any setups right now. Yeah, Kenneth. I'm sorry about that, man. Yeah, my bad, mate. My bad. My bad. So I'm still waiting for true direction in this market. We got on the 5 minute chart a liquidation of the Asian session highs, I reckon. Yes, Asian session highs got liquidated. So we got, all right, so listen to me carefully. This can be manipulation right here. So this can be manipulation right here. So heads up to that possible manipulation. Because if you notice here, we got a true break of the lows right here, a true break of the lows. So perhaps, I don't know, we need to wait and see what happens next. Right, this is looking very bullish though. Very bullish. And that's about it for me, mates. That's about it for me. Waiting on the yes, on this, and that's it. I mean, very mellow, very mellow. You know what? Why don't we have a look at gold on the higher time frames? Um, yeah, on the hourly. Let's see if we are at a true zone. Let me grab my crosshair tool here.
According to Barclays head of Euro rate strategy, they say that the market is underestimating ECB rate cuts. The bank strategists analyze data from the swaptions market that show a 40% chance of the ECB's.
We are not. We are not at a key level. So if you notice here, we have that 1 hour imbalance. That's a very important level. I reckon more downside in this market is coming up. Um, what I don't know and no one can tell you is if this downside is going to happen right away or if we are going to see a pullback. Right, so looking at the pound yen, this is looking very good for a liquidation of the lows. Euro yen, um, same thing, but euro yen we have equal lows right here, so not the same thing. GBP USD and SP 500, very nice break on the Asian session highs. I don't know, mate. I don't know ABOB. GBPUS. Yeah, I think so. Maybe my mic. No, everything is up to the max. I don't know. I have no idea, mate. And I said, God damn. God damn Bible, man. All right, so any questions? Any cool issues? How you had a look at your GPP? No, I don't trade that. I don't trade that, mate. All right, so have a look at crude oil. Ooh, look at this fucking bearish move on crude. Who would have thought? Not me. You missed your short entry on the Euro yen, Euro yen. Let's have a look. I don't know where your short entry was, mate. I have no fucking clue. Oh, boom, boom, bam, 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 bam. All right, so nothing too big going on. I don't think I'm going. On long term, what do you think about Japanese yen? Well, good question. Yeah, I mean it's always weak. Just let's start by looking at the monthly chart, maybe. A monthly chart is amazingly weak since March 2020 highs. I don't have the rest of this fucking thing, right? But it's down since this highs. It's down to the lows about 40%. That's huge for currencies, right? So the structure on the high time frames in this market is extremely bullish. Let's go to the weekly chart. 1 week chart, boom, boom. Yeah, as you can see, pretty bearish. I'm sorry, bearish. There's a ton of liquidity though to the upside. Here we have equal tops, boom. Here we have equal tops on the weekly, right? On the weekly, but everything is looking very weak. Japanese yen's monetary policy also impulses the weakening of its currency um, uh, due to trade balance issues, right? Remember, the Japanese yen economy is vastly boosted by its trade, and they are famously known by having a negative trade balance. So, by keeping their currency low, um, they fight against. It's not that they fight against the negative trade balance, but they make their goods more, affordable for exports, because the negative trade balance is higher exports than imports, or something like that. Read about it. All right, there you go. Let's see if we can get trigger pound. The pound, 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 pound. Um, US 30, very rangy. I hate it. US 100, very good on the long side. I'm just keeping my pound yen for the time being, guys. There's not too much going on, so I'm going to end my show here. And again, if you want, God damn it, I have an itch. If you want, my trades, I do this every day. Just subscribe to my VIP channel, and I'll keep you guys posted on this particular trade. Trade safe. There's not too much going on. It's Monday, guys. Don't give on to impulsive trading. It doesn't. I mean, it really, really, really is just a horrible way to start the week. If we don't get triggered here, good. If I get stopped out here, good. If I make money here, good. Right? If this is my only trade today, good. So, stay the trade safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.